Are you struggling to lose weight naturally? We've got some tips to help you get started. Today, we'll be exploring the journey towards natural weight loss. A path that's not about quick fixes, but rather sustainable methods that work in harmony with your body. We'll be delving into the importance of a balanced diet, not just in terms of eating less, but eating right. We'll also discuss the role of physical activity, not as a punishment, but as a way to feel strong and energized. And finally, we'll be uncovering natural ways to give your metabolism a healthy boost, aiding your body in its weight loss efforts. Shedding pounds naturally isn't about deprivation, it's about nourishing your body, treating it with respect, and finding joy in a healthier lifestyle. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier you? Let's dive right in. The journey to natural weight loss begins on your plate. A significant key to shedding those extra pounds lies in the balanced amalgamation of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins on your dining table. It's a common misconception that weight loss equals deprivation. But let's debunk that myth right now. It's not about eating less, it's about eating right. Imagine your body as a high-performance machine. To run smoothly, it needs high-quality fuel. Fruits and vegetables, rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, not only keep your system running, but also help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. They are like the premium fuel for your body machine. Whole grains such as brown rice, oats, and quinoa are the powerhouses of complex carbohydrates. They provide the energy your body needs to stay active and burn calories. Plus, they're packed with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied longer. Now let's not forget about proteins. Lean proteins like chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based options like lentils and chickpeas help to build and repair tissues including muscles. More muscles mean a higher metabolic rate and more calories burned even at rest. So, how about we make some healthy meal swaps? Instead of a cheeseburger, how about a grilled chicken sandwich on whole grain bread with a side of veggies? Swap that sugary cereal for a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts for added protein and healthy fats. Feeling snacky? Reach for a handful of almonds or carrot sticks with hummus instead of potato chips. Remember, it's not about starving yourself, it's about nourishing your body with the right foods. When you start to view food as fuel instead of comfort or reward, you'll find yourself naturally steering towards healthier choices. And as you do, you'll notice not just a change in your weight, but in your overall well-being. And isn't that what we're all truly after? Now that we've got your diet sorted, let's talk about the second pillar of natural weight loss: physical activity. Regular exercise is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. It helps to burn calories, improve heart health, and even boost your mood. You might be thinking, but I don't have time to hit the gym every day. Well, the good news is, you don't have to. The key is to find activities that you enjoy and can easily incorporate into your daily routine. It could be as simple as taking a brisk walk in the park, dancing to your favorite tunes, or even gardening. Let's break it down a bit. There are two main types of exercise: cardio and strength training. Cardio, short for cardiovascular exercise, includes activities like running, cycling, or swimming. It gets your heart rate up and burns a lot of calories, which is great for weight loss. On the other hand, strength training, which involves exercises like lifting weights or doing bodyweight exercises, helps to build muscle. And here's a fun fact: muscle burns more calories at rest than fat does. So the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. But remember, it's not just about the big workouts. Small changes can make a big difference too. Opt for the stairs instead of the elevator. Park a little further from the store entrance. Walk while you're on the phone. These might seem like tiny steps, but they add up over time. So don't shy away from moving your body. Every step counts. Physical activity, combined with a healthy diet, is the most effective and natural way to lose weight. And remember, this is not a race. It's about making sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. So, take it one step at a time, literally and figuratively. Aside from diet and exercise, there's one more piece to the natural weight loss puzzle: your metabolism. Your metabolism is like your body's engine, burning up the fuel you consume. Some people are blessed with a speedy metabolism, while others might need a bit of a boost. But fear not, there are natural ways to give your metabolism that extra kick. Staying hydrated is crucial. Water not only keeps your body functioning at its best, but it also aids in digestion and can help you feel full. Next, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Your metabolism works best when you're well rested. Lastly, consider incorporating certain metabolism-boosting foods into your diet. These include green tea, spicy foods, and high-protein meals. Just remember, these aren't magic solutions, but they can aid in your overall weight loss journey. When it comes to boosting your metabolism, it's all about the small changes that add up over time. So there you have it, the basics of natural weight loss. We've explored the importance of a balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Remember, it's not just about eating less, but eating right. We've also discussed the role of regular exercise, which is crucial in burning off those pesky calories and keeping your body in good shape. We've delved into natural ways to boost your metabolism, including staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and eating metabolism-boosting foods. These simple yet effective strategies can help you shed those unwanted pounds without resorting to quick fixes or unhealthy diets. In essence, the path to natural weight loss is about adopting a healthier lifestyle that includes nutritious eating and regular activity. It requires patience, persistence, and a whole lot of self-love. Remember, the journey to natural weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making sustainable changes that you can stick to in the long run.